Now let's talk about the importance of business research. But let's define business research. It is the systematic way of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data for the management to decide on important business matters. So what's the reasons for doing business research? First is informed decision making. The data that comes from the business research helps the management to choose the best decision for a certain situation. Second is that it identifies the opportunities and threats. This helps the business to maximize its growth potential. Third is it helps the business to understand customer needs and wants. It gives the management the insights on the customer preferences, including the buying behaviors of their target market. Fourth is it provides competitive analysis. It helps the management to make strategies that will help them beat their competitors and have a good market positioning. Fifth is it helps to improve products and services. It helps the management to focus on research and development to create new products for its customers. Six is for efficient resource allocation. It helps the management to decide for future investment of their money that will give a higher return on their business. Seventh is for enhancement of marketing strategies. It gives the business more insights on the effective ways to persuade customers to buy their products and services. And last is for risk management. It helps the management to mitigate the risk involved in operating the business that will minimize possible losses. Thank you and happy learning.